Welcome to How to Draw. Today, we're tackling Oren from the Sprunki version of Incredibox. This character's wide grin, headphones, and unique pose make him both challenging and fun to draw. Grab your pencils, and let's get started. Step 1. Sketching the head and base shape. Let's begin with the head. Draw a rounded oval for the head, slightly tilted forward to show Oren's crouching position. Add 2 small circles at the top for his fun, antenna-like accessories. Keep your lines light, as we'll refine them later. Drawing advice. Start with simple shapes and light strokes. These first sketches act as your guide, so don't worry about perfection at this stage. Step 2. Adding facial features. Next, we'll draw Oren's face. Start with 2 droopy, half-closed eyes to give him that signature tired look. Below the eyes, sketch a wide, exaggerated grin filled with rows of sharp, blocky teeth. This feature is key to capturing Oren's spooky and surreal vibe. Drawing advice. Don't hold back on exaggerating expressions. Bold features like Oren's grin are what make his design so memorable. Focus on symmetry, but embrace small quirks. They add personality. Step 3. Drawing the headphones and hair. Now, add Oren's headphones. Draw 2 large circles on either side of the head, connected with a curved band over the top. Add thin rectangular pieces where the headphones meet the ears for extra detail. Then, sketch a few jagged lines for his hair, sticking out from underneath the band. Drawing advice. Layer your details, start with larger shapes, like the headphones, then add smaller details like hair and bands. This makes the drawing process feel manageable. Step 4. Drawing the arms and hands. From the sides of the head, sketch 2 long, exaggerated arms reaching outward. These should be slightly curved to give the pose a dynamic feel. At the end of each arm, draw large, expressive hands with long, stretched fingers. Make them a little uneven to enhance the creepy aesthetic. Drawing advice. When drawing hands, break them down into basic shapes. Circles for palms, and long ovals for fingers. Once you have the structure, refine them to make them more organic. Step 5. Drawing the body and feet. For the body, draw a narrow, curved torso beneath the head. Add 2 bent legs to show Oren crouching. Keep the feet simple, but add details like toes for a playful, human-like touch. Make sure the proportions feel exaggerated to match his surreal style. Drawing advice. Don't stress about perfect anatomy. Characters like Oren thrive on exaggerated, cartoonish proportions. Focus on the overall pose and balance instead. Step 6. Final details and cleanup. Finally, refine your lines and erase any extra sketch marks. Add shading to areas like the arms and torso for depth. If you want, use bold outlines to make Oren pop or add color to bring him to life in true Sprunki style. And there you have it, Oren from Sprunki. Thanks for drawing with me today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun and creative drawing lessons. Share your version of Oren in the comments below. I'd love to see your artwork. Until next time, keep practicing and stay creative.